Hello. My name's Dan. This is Sam C.
Hi.
Sam, how you doing?
Great.
Awesome.
I was just looking at my tan line.
I know. Whoa.
Camera.
Oh my goodness gracious. It's the lighting. It's the lighting, guys. Today is a unique one. Gonna be a quick one, but we're covering a rival of mine.
Oh.
A rap battle enemy of mine.
Rap battle enemy.
We've had a pending rap battle for years now, and that would be BeardTube, aka Scuba. Now we're making this video about Scuba because he has developed his own beard oil and he is selling his own beard oil. Now I will link this in the description. It seems like you're going to a wrong site. You're like, what the heck is this? It's a buddy of his who sells, I think it's like CBD products or something like that. And he's helping him with the website to be able to kind of process stuff. But it's Scuba's. I know people have been like, where did I go to? It's just a buddy of his, so keep that in mind. So this is called Beardmeds. Now this is a 2-ounce oil for $14.99. Really fair price. I mean, we're talking $7.50 an ounce.
Right.
That's crazy price. But none of it matters if it's garbage. So I gave it a test. We're gonna see what Sam C thinks about it and give some feedback here for Scuba. And in all seriousness, he is a buddy of mine. I've known him since before the channel even existed. Lots of advice, lots of support, and we just have good, fun, playful banter. The internet cracks me up because a lot of people don't speak sarcasm, and people like Scuba will say a joke about me and people will be like, did you hear what he said about you? And I'm like, what? They're like, they said that you're a cyber bully to Scuba. I'm like,
you just gotta play into it.
I do.
That's right.
I am. But some people really don't get it. So we are buddies. We are friends. If you ever hear that, it's just jokes. Now, do we agree on everything beard related? No. Almost opposites on most things. But that's okay. It's all right to be different. It's all right to not believe the same things. And part of that might be with this oil. Who knows? No, I'm just kidding. So this is called Beardmeds. So I'd like you to give this a smell.
Okay.
And I want to see what you think of the scent profile here. And then I'll share my thoughts on the oil.
Okay. Hold on.
It's a light one.
Okay.
Yep, it's very light. For sure.
Okay. Is it unscented?
No.
Is my sniffer broken?
No.
No, I don't smell. I literally do not smell anything.
Wow. So the scent profile is vanilla and oud. Vanilla and oud. So for me...
Oh, okay. I smell it.
You got some on skin?
Yeah.
What do you got?
Oh, yeah. It's just a nice vanilla. Not overly sweet, which is amazing. So it doesn't smell artificial. I want more oud, though.
Just taking my spot again, guys. I agree entirely. I think it's really nice.
That is good.
It's calm. It's soothing. To me, it's a vanilla scent.
Yeah.
I don't really get
definitely.
much oud out of that at all. But it is. It's just like a calm, I want to say savory, but I don't think that's the right word.
Not savory.
But it's not like fake vanilla. It's not overly sweet vanilla.
Yeah.
It's just smooth,
and I wonder,
calm vanilla. If the oud does that.
I wonder if the oud cuts it.
Yeah, it really could.
I like it.
It's very light, though. And I think vanilla kind of lends itself to that. You know, it's not like a super punchy, aggressive one.
Yeah, unless you have artificial vanilla.
Right. Exactly. So, yeah, it's good. Do I crave it? Do I love it? No. And Sam is a big fan of oud. So I know that if there was more oud pumped into this, she would really enjoy it.
I think if there were more oud in it, it would change and then be like a vanilla cologne.
Right.
And this is more of like a calming, like, I would say that this is a nighttime scent.
Yeah, I agree.
It's very, like, relaxing.
I agree entirely. And I'm not saying one is better than the other, but if it was supposed to be oud there, I would, just beef up that oud a little bit. And so for the oil, this is a thick viscosity oil. The carrier blend on this is castor, jojoba, sweet almond, argan, grapeseed, and then that oud and vanilla oils. So with having castor first, it's going to be that thicker, that more viscous oil. Now, that's not my preference, but I do mean that it's only a preference. There's a lot of people that love the thicker oils. So for me, I would love to see a thinner option. I don't want him to change this. I know a lot of people probably love it, but I would love to see down the road a thinner option. And then, like I said, maybe just punch in a little bit more of the oud there, but I can't see anybody disliking this.
I agree.
Like,
unless you hate vanilla.
Right.
Then
Like,
yeah, it's great.
I think for most people, are going to say, oh, nice. That's super calm. That's enjoyable. And I think that's a goal of his. When you make a 2-ounce oil for less than $15, I think your goal is for as many people to use it as possible. You know, it's not something where it's just like a crazy inflated money grab. He's like, I want to get products out to people. So for his first run, I think he did a really good job. I can't wait to see where it goes in the future. And of course, I hope he's still making content. He's settled down now. He's got a lady. He's got a puppy, you know, a house, all that. Growing up right before our eyes.
I'm so happy for him.
I know.
Though.
He seems
That's
really,
so amazing.
really genuinely happy. Hannah seems to be like the perfect fit for him with his like humor and silliness and kind of, you know, just playing into it perfectly for how he does from what we've heard and what I've seen. So super, super happy for him. It really is like once you hit that next step and you get that like serious relationship, it's just like a different chapter of life, and it's so enjoyable. So enjoyable. So Scuba, proud of you, man. You did a great job. I cannot wait to see what comes out in the future. CMC, anything else here?
Nope.
Okay, that's it, guys. If you have tried Beardmeds, drop a comment. Let us know your thoughts. If you have a question about this product, drop a comment. I know that Scuba will be searching through the comments too to be able to help you guys out, and I'll do my best to answer them as well. Hit that thumbs up on your way out, you guys, or Scuba's gonna come and cyberbully you.
Oh,
yeah,
watch out.
he said it, not me. So just make sure you guys know that. But thank you for watching, guys. Sam C and me, the place to be. Stay bearded and stay positive.